What should I do? I don't feel like studying. My focus diverts towards mobile's phone. Motivational videos' impact doesn't last longer than 5 minutes. Friends, 14 to 25 is that age in which entire your life could fall, or your life could improve. Friends, ask yourself a question. What do you want to do? What will I do in my life? Till when will you depend on your parents? Till when? Always remember one thing. To become a king, you have to like very hard. And to shine, you have to burn like the sun. You plan to study. From tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We'll study from date 1. We'll start from Monday. Till when will you postpone? A day will come when you would be about to die. Will then too you will postpone it. Look once at those who have a lot of expectations for you. Friends, I am talking about your parents. They have a lot of expectations from you. They are ready to die for you, and you can't study for 5 minutes. Decide today, what do you want to do in your life? Life is also thinking of what to do of you. Remove all those things from your phone which do not serve for your goal. It doesn't matter if you are weak at studies. People say they want to study but can't focus. I say, try a bit. If you study for 2 minutes, you will get the feeling, which will make you study for next 2 hours. You just try. Harivansh Rai Bachchan's poem motivate us as much as Sandeep Maheshwari and Vivek Bindra's videos. When a small ant takes its food and climbs the wall, it slips again and again. It doesn't matter to rise and fall. At the end its struggles doesn't go for vain. Those who try doesn't fail. Failure is a challenge, accept it. See where you short and improve. Until you are successful, quit sleep and leisure and don't run from challenges. There's no cheers without doing something. Those who try doesn't fail. Find a source of motivation that will force you to study. Study for your self-value. Study to take revenge from your enemies. Study for parents. You are their expectations. We have to live our life, not spend it. Friend, everyone has a dream, for which he is even ready to die. I don't know if you dream or not, but I know this. Skipping millions of videos, if you are watching my video, you must have some special thing. You must have a small seed that will become a tree. Even if a lie, you must listen this, and keep it in your heart. Even if a lie, trust my words. If you believe, you will become successful. I don't know who you are who is watching my video, but I know this, that you will become a very successful person. You will do many things in your life. Don't waste your time and start from today. Study a little but start studying. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, and spread this video on WhatsApp and Facebook. We will meet again in next video. Goodbye.